Hi guys, my name is Abba. Welcome back to my amazing kitchen. Today on the menu, we are making some amazingly delicious banana coconut muffins. So easy to make, it requires no machine at all, so come along and let's get right into it. I've got here some all-purpose flour, and to it I'm going to add some desiccated coconut, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. In goes some sugar, and now I'm going to add some baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, and some cinnamon powder. I'm also going to grate in half of a whole nutmeg. The combination of cinnamon and nutmeg is going to make our muffins taste very nice. So now go ahead and mix everything together until it is well combined and set it aside for now. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mash my bananas, and you want to use overripe bananas, so bananas that you would normally not want to eat with dark spots on them. So go ahead and peel your 2 bananas and add it to your bowl. With a fork or a potato masher or anything you have, you want to mash it until it becomes very smooth. It doesn't have to be. Sometimes I like to leave mine with a bit of chunks for texture. Now go ahead and add in some sour cream and mix that until it is well combined. The sour cream is going to make our banana coconut muffins very moist. So once my sour cream is mixed in, I'm going to switch to a whisk, and this is going to help me incorporate some air, which will make our muffins very light and fluffy. Now I add my eggs, and I'm doing it one at a time. So once my first egg is well incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and add my second egg and beat this until it is well incorporated as well. And for extra flavor, I'm going to add a touch of vanilla extract. Just about a teaspoon is enough. It will bring out the banana flavor. Now go ahead and whisk in some melted butter. So after the butter is well incorporated, we are going to go ahead and add in our dry mixture. And I'm going to do this in about 3 batches, just so I don't overmix my mixture. Overmixing your muffin batter can cause it to become very dense and tough, and that's not what we want. So once the first batch of the dry ingredients is well incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and add my second batch. So finally, I add my third batch, and this is going to be my final batch, and mix this in as well. But I'm going to switch from my whisk to a spatula just to prevent it from being overmixed. So as soon as there is no longer white trace of the flour anymore, our mixture is done, and we are going to stop mixing. So before we bake our muffins, I'm going to prep my muffin tin, and I'm just going to line this with some cupcake liners, but you can use any liners that you prefer. And with this ice cream scoop, I'm going to scoop some of the batter into the liners. It makes it so easy. Whoever came up with this idea, I salute you. But of course, you can use a ladle or 2 tablespoons or anything you have basically, and scoop the butter in here. And I love this recipe because it makes exactly 12 muffins, so you are not left with any extra butter that you have no idea what to do with. In the meantime, I have been preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius, so in it goes. And I'm going to bake this for about 20 minutes, but as every oven is different, you want to keep an eye on it and check it between 15 to 25 minutes. After about 20 minutes, a toothpick inserted in the muffin came out clean, and that is my indication that the muffins are done. Now just look at how gorgeous this looks, and my kitchen is smelling so amazing. Now I'm going to allow the muffins to rest in the tin for about 5 to 7 minutes until I can handle them, and then transfer it from the tin onto a cooling rack. If you leave them in your cupcake tin, they might sweat at the bottom and become very soggy. Once I transfer them to my cooling rack, I'm still going to allow them to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and then go ahead and enjoy this with a cup of tea or Milo or whatever you choose to have this with. It makes a great packed lunch too. And now the moment of truth. Just look at how fluffy this looks on the inside. It's so moist. Even the next day and the day after, if you are lucky for it to last that long, it will still be moist. The coconut in here complements the bananas so well, and I really hope that you are able to try this simple and easy banana coconut muffins. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So make these muffins with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!